Hello and welcome back to BiotechLearning. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential tools in biology, the microscope. From its parts to its functions, we'll break down everything you need to know. Let's begin. Introduction to the microscope. Microscopes have revolutionized science, allowing us to see what's invisible to the naked eye. But to use one effectively, we need to understand its structure and how each part contributes to its functionality. Next, parts of a microscope and their functions. The eyepiece or ocular lens, magnifies the image formed by the objective lens. Typically provides 10x or 15x magnification. Body tube connects the eyepiece to the objective lenses and ensures proper alignment of the optical path. Arm supports the body tube and connects it to the base. It's also used for carrying the microscope. Objective lenses. Objective lenses provide primary magnification. Common types include 4x scanning, 10x low power, 40x high power, and 100x oil immersion. Revolving nosepiece holds the objective lenses and allows you to switch between them. Stage, the flat platform where the slide is placed for observation. Often comes with stage clips to hold the slide. Coarse adjustment knob, moves the stage up and down for broad focusing. Used with lower magnification. Fine adjustment knob, provides fine-tuned focusing, especially under high magnification. Light source, illuminates the specimen for clear viewing. Could be a mirror or an electric bulb. Diaphragm controls the amount of light passing through the specimen. Condenser, focuses light onto the specimen to enhance image clarity. Base, provides stability and supports the microscope. Remember, mastering the microscope is the first step in exploring the microscopic universe. With practice, this tool can unlock new perspectives in biology and beyond. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to BiotechLearning. Your support helps us bring more educational content your way. Until next time, happy exploring!